In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Airtable to Google Sheets. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step to make sure you're set up for success. Firstly, open your Airtable view. Here, you'll want to select the specific table or view that you aim to export. It's important to note that Airtable will only export your current view, so make sure that it's set up exactly as you want it before moving on. To do this, navigate to the particular database within your Airtable workspace and click into the view you're interested in. Double-check that your columns and records are displaying exactly as you desire, because this is how they will appear once exported. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, the next step is to download this view as a CSV file. To do this, locate the View dropdown, which is usually found at the top of your table. After clicking on this dropdown, you'll want to look for and select the Download CSV option. This command is going to package all the visible data into a CSV format, essentially a plain text file that neatly organizes your information using commas. It's a universal format, which makes it easy to import into many different applications, including Google Sheets. After clicking Download CSV, your file will be saved onto your computer, ready for the next step. Now let's switch gears and open up Google Sheets. This can be easily done by navigating to Google Sheets through your web browser. Once you're on the Google Sheets homepage, you can create a new spreadsheet where your data from Airtable will soon reside. Just locate the option to start a new spreadsheet and click on it. With your blank Google Sheet open, it's time to bring in your CSV file. At this stage, you'll want to click on File in the upper menu and then choose Import. This is where you tell Google Sheets that you're bringing in data from an external file. A pop-up dialog will appear, and here you should select Upload to start importing your CSV file. Find and select your downloaded CSV file from wherever it's stored on your computer, and it will begin the upload process. As the upload progresses, you'll be presented with several import options. It's crucial to review these options because they determine how your data will be integrated into your existing Google Sheet. Here you can choose whether to create a new spreadsheet, insert the data into a current sheet, or replace an existing sheet. Typically, the most straightforward option is to bring the data into a new spreadsheet, ensuring you don't overwrite anything accidentally. Once you've made your selection, click on Import Data. And there you have it. Your Airtable data is now seamlessly transitioned into Google Sheets, ready for further analysis or sharing. By following these steps, we've exactly transformed your dynamic Airtable views into static rows and columns within Google Sheets. Thank you for watching, and feel free to return to this video anytime you need guidance through this process.